Thanks, Hunter. Thanks, Glenn. Well, I've heard of an unveiling, but I've never seen it taken quite as literally as it was at the Edmonton Motorshow this week.
The all-new 2020 Sierra Heavy Duty AT4.
New models are being shown off at the largest motor show in Western Canada, which is back again for its 42nd year at Northland's Expo Centre. However, none as exciting as the debut of the Felino CB7R, a Canadian-made sports car which is one of only 10 in the world and the third ever made in Canada.
The CB7R is making its Alberta debut with us, so no one will have had a chance to see this yet. So we're really excited for everyone to come down over the 4 days and take this vehicle in.
The motor show runs from now until Sunday. In the midst of chilly spring temperatures, I was transported to a lush tropical garden in preparation of the 42nd annual Orchid Fair.
Quite pretty. Look at that.
This is Paul Paladette. He competes every year at the Enjoy Center with his beautiful blooms. As a winner of over 7 awards, Paladette knows the judges are primarily looking for bright colors and multiple blooms, but it's the community that brings him back each year.
You know, it's an opportunity to meet different people from different walks of life, to help them understand and appreciate orchids and the variety, the immense variety that there is with orchids. We're talking 30,000 species of orchids worldwide.
Gorgeous blooms from 15 exhibitors from all over the world are on display until Sunday. Picture this. 2 shows running at the same time. No, I mean seriously running. This play has actors running from stage to stage at the Citadel. The Candidate and the Party are sure to keep you on your toes.
How would you like to make history? Take a picture.
These 2 simultaneous shows, The Candidate and The Party, follow the mishaps of a politician preparing for presidential election. The plays have actors racing from one set to another to keep audiences engaged in 2 separate locations. They're sure to keep you on your toes and the cast on theirs.
I will finish one scene in The Party and I'll have to sprint to The Candidate, and while I'm standing behind the door saying my first line, someone is putting a hoodie on me. While I take a sip of water, I grab my phone and I'm saying my first line and I enter onto the stage.
The Candidate and The Party are 2 shows not to be missed this April. Martini Monday may not be a thing, but this past Monday, bartenders from Edmonton hotspots shook and stirred their way through a competition to test their twists and riffs on a classic beverage. 11 bartenders from restaurants like Ampersand 27, The Mark, and more put their own spin on the classic dry martini, while guests sampled gin and vermouth from local suppliers. Judges tasted basil, spruce, and even cilantro martinis to decide who would win the grand prize from Strathcona Spirits, and more importantly, bragging rights. Corbin Brock from Wilfred's had a winner with his lush spring-inspired cocktail.
I'm going to be making a martini riff using the Strathcona Spirits gin. It's going to have a little bit of cilantro infusion as well with salt and 2 types of vermouth. It's going to be really kind of botanical.
Strathcona Spirits has locations all around Alberta and is available for tours and tastings. There's clearly no shortage of things to do this weekend. And that's been a wrap on entertainment. Back to you, Hunter and Glenn.